Only one thing I want to just mention. I've seen our own senator castigating this hospital for no good reason. I want to say this. Guys, keep on. I've stopped the theft which was in this hospital. I'm not going to allow it. If they think they can supply air here, it cannot happen. Better they arrange to do other things. For this hospital, we have gone cashless. There is service offered. For doctors, continue good work. For them, let them make noise. Let them make noise in those TVs. But we're not going to allow them to infiltrate into our health system. We're not going to accept. This remains a service to human. And it has to be that. Therefore, for anybody who thinks that can make noise for us to give them tenders here, there is no tender. It will be competitively outside there. Therefore, I want just to direct that anybody who thinks that I'll give away, there is a day that I will blink my eye. I won't. Better they concentrate in their duties. For the hospital, let them leave us alone. We must provide service. Doctors, nurses, clinicians, continue with good work. I'll support you. Msife moyo. Wacha wapige kelele, watalala. Sisi tutaendelea na kazi. Asanteni, Mungu awabariki.